Hello, and welcome to my craft channel. For today's project I will make a mini nightstand. I will begin by using 3 pieces of coaster board. Glue strips of quilling paper onto the 3 pieces of coaster board, leaving a gap between each piece of quilling paper as you go along. Then draw circles onto the back of each piece. Cut out each circle. And then paint all 3 pieces. Glue the sides onto the left and right side of the nightstand. Next, to create the illusion of depth, glue a strip of construction paper to the inner walls of the nightstand. For the top, cut out a piece of coaster board, and then connect the sides of the nightstand using a strip of coaster board. For the back, glue down a piece of cardstock paper. For the legs, roll up 4 separate pieces of cardstock paper, and then glue closed. Then glue legs into place. Glue into place 4 pieces of coffee sticks, 2 for the front, and 1 for each side. Cut out 4 squares and then glue them onto the bottom of each leg, and then paint. Trace out an oval shape, and then trace an oval shape within that oval. Cut out and discard the inner oval. Paint the remaining oval. Glue the oval onto the nightstand, and finally paint with a clear coat of nail polish. All done! I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.